In today's video, we use pages from the Christmas book, yet leave information that we might like to find in a Christmas book. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Julie again. We are working from my parents' house and working using this Christmas book and the pages from it to make a Christmas or December daily junk journal. We are going to add pockets and things and still use the pieces, save the pieces of the book that I want to. So this one had a cherry spice cake recipe that I thought was kind of cool. And there's a place here that you could put a photograph and it could act like a mat for the photograph. So what I did is I added a pocket down here, and what I used was the packaging for these banners. So I cut it and added it down here, and now we have a pocket. So this will be on one side of the journal. So we also have this Irish cream cheesecake and this beautiful picture of the Irish cream cheesecake. So I thought, that I probably would want to keep that as well. So we're going to be helping with two things. So the other thing is we have another heavy page like in the last video. And so how do we go about helping that that page not be so that it has more reinforcement. So we're going to come up underneath the photograph, and I'm just going to mark this here. Okay, that tells me where the photograph ends and where I want my my flip to begin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a flip down here, and it will give me a place to add journaling. I can add photographs, whatever I want to add down here. Now I do know that I'm a little bit big over here, so we're going to cut the one side, and then we're going to come along and cut this. And I did fold it. It was a little bit longer than what I wanted, so I'm going to just go ahead and I'm going to make a flip. And this is out of lightweight cardstock. And because I want it to flip here and here, we're going to go kind of like we do with our flip-flop. And we're going to make the extra little gutter or alley. Okay. Okay. There we go. So then we're going to just come and add some glue. We'll use this because I'm not going to come back and sew this. So we want to, the double-sided, the sticky tape will work better on adhering to a magazine than the other. So here I have now added a flip. Now the idea for this journal is it is a simple journal that then we can come back and decorate. But I am going to add one of those beautiful banners. And the way that I'm going to add it is, because I might want to put a photograph underneath it, I'm just going to, again, use the double-sided tape, and I'm going to put some on each end. And then I know I need it to come in from this side, and then we'll have it come up to wherever on this side. Let's straighten it out. Okay, so now we can come in with a photograph, and the photograph can go underneath here, and it will still have beautiful decoration. If you're going to add a date, like a Flinch card with the numbers on it, or some kind of a date thing, if you're doing December daily, it can also be added here. We can add lined paper in here. You can do a collage, all kinds of things. But I think that that is really, really awesome. And then, of course, up here, we can also, again, use this as a background for our photographs. Okay, so that is another way that we did. This one did double duty. You see, it helped with the strength of this page. It gave us some stuff, but we also still have the recipe. Okay, so that is those are my ideas for today. And again, I hope you are enjoying this series. Let's go ahead and just make a tag just because we can. We have these adorable stickers that that came in, that was in the wrapping box at my mom and dad's house. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to add this here. I want this on the top because, well, because it's cute, and usually you're going to see the top of a tag. So then I'm just going to go ahead and follow along with the lines there. And then, of course, we can come in and use some of the washi tapes that we've used. And maybe a little bit of the bling that we've been using. This bling was from Dollar Tree. So I was able to get several items at Dollar Tree. So watch the latest, like the latest 3 Dollar Tree hauls have things that you can use for Christmas. Oh wait, we're not straight, but you know what? I'm gonna be fine with that. Okay, so there we have part of the leftover. This was the leftover piece, and you know, I don't like to just leave anything alone. And so that will give us a little tag for in there. And of course we can come in and use a little bit of paper, and then, you know, we might put a photograph here. Okay, so there you go, saving some of the area, some of the things that you find in a magazine, yet still being able to use it at the same time, reinforcing the page for this very heavy page back here that was one of the part of this series. So if you're interested in that, check out the playlist down below, which is Christmas in July 2019, and it will have that in it. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video and that you're enjoying following along. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the other playlists and videos down below. Have an amazing day. Bye.